Howdy students, welcome to Dr. Services classes, and today I am solving the Economics Honors Major Paper. There is a specific topic, Microeconomics 2023 previous year paper solution. If you want to take classes from our side or want to take doubt clearing session, previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of that, please don't hesitate. Please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Services reply to your query individually through WhatsApp. So, if you want to take classes from our side, please don't hesitate. And now we can provide the maximum discount for that course. Okay, so don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Saurabh's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Saurabh sir. So let's start with question number 1C. So what we will say? Question number 1C. The question says that what do you mean by average product? So average product refers to the output produced by per unit of particular input, per unit of particular input, and that is typically labor or capital. Okay, so it is calculated by dividing the total output or quantity of good produced by the total amount of the input used. Okay, so for labor, the formula is that for labor, if labor is input being the considered, the average product of labor APL, that is given by APL equals to total output Q by total labor input, that is L. Okay, and for the capital, the formula is that is similarly, if capital is being input being considered, then average product of capital, that means APK for capital, APK, that is given by APK equals to total output Q divided by total capital input. Okay, that is Q by K. And what is the interpretation for that? There are two interpretation. The first one is that there are two interpretations. The first one is that the average product tells us the average amount of output generated per unit of output generated per unit of input. And second point is that, for example, if the average product of labor is 5, it means that on average each unit of labor, such as a worker, produced 5 unit of output. Okay, and what is the relationship with marginal product? Relationship with marginal product. So the marginal product is measures the additional output So the marginal product measures the additional output generated by adding one more such adding one more such adding one more such unit of input, while the average product measures the average per unit of input. And the second one is that if the marginal product is generated if marginal product is greater than the average product that means the average product is what? The average product is increasing. And if the marginal product is and conversely, if the marginal product is less than the average product, then the average product is decreasing. Okay, so the average product is often used to assess the efficiency of input use in production process So that's all about that. To know more such methods, share this video to your friends and your family and stay connected with us. And to get notification of our video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon also. We'll meet you in next session soon. Thank you.